Hey there, welcome. In this video, you're gonna learn how to play blast beats for beginners. This video is for you if you're a beginner drummer just getting into the world of metal drumming and wanna play blast beats, or if you're a guitar player and you wanna program really cool sounding drums for your music, this video is definitely for you too. Let's get into the first blast beat and I'll break it down for you and show you some cool ways to learn it really easily. So let's start off with the traditional blast beat. Understanding how to play a traditional blast beat can become pretty confusing, so here is my easy way to playing a traditional blast beat. Just play single stroke roll on your snare, and then your feet are going to play eighth notes. Just basically add your hands and your feet together like this. After you do that, just move the right hand over to the ride cymbal. When you're starting out learning the traditional blast beat, you really want to lock in that right hand and that right foot. And then you really also would like to pay attention to the left hand to make sure that it's evenly flowing. Now, when you enter the world of blast beats, you're gonna wanna play really fast, and you're gonna notice right away that it kind of like gets congested and it's kind of tough to articulate your ideas in blast beats at really fast tempos. And that's why I got a free double bass drumming mini course for you, so you can practice your double kicks so you can get your blast beats nice and tight and get really fast. With traditional blast beats, you can add some really cool bell patterns like and that's really cool for when you're programming drum parts and you want to accompany your guitar part and complement some of those riffs. As a drummer, we can approach this with our feet one of two ways. You can do alternating eighth notes like this, or you can play a single-footed blast like this. One tip that I highly suggest you try is if you're going to do a single-footed blast, try and do it with your left foot. Now let's say you want to take that single-footed blast a little further and you want to increase your left foot coordination, you can alternate between the two like this. The next blast beat is pretty simple as well. It's called the hammer blast or the hyper blast. And basically, your feet and your hands are playing all together. So like the traditional blast beat, your feet are playing alternating eighth notes, but then your hands are connecting all at once. And if you've ever heard of like Cannibal Corpse or anything in that style of music, then you have definitely heard the hammer blast. It sounds and looks something like this. Speed that up and it'll look and sound something like this. What's really cool about that is that you can accent different parts on the drum set so you can get some really cool variations to put into your music. The hammer blast is pretty cool, but what if we double up the notes on our feet? Instead of playing eighth notes with our feet, we'll play 16th notes, and then that will allow us to play the bomb blast. So it's gonna look and sound something like this. If we break down the bomb blast and we play it nice and slow, it's gonna look and sound something like this. You need to do this at a slow tempo to get faster. If you find this challenging, then try piecing it together like this. We'll do 16th notes with our kicks, and then we'll add the right hand. That right hand is just basically playing with the right foot. It might be a little more challenging to add that left hand, and don't forget to practice with that left hand because that's likely what's gonna kind of drag your beats down and make it sloppy. Just remember that both your right and your left hand are playing at the same time. Again, there's a link down in the description below for a free double bass drumming mini course, and I really hope to see you inside. Those are very easy blast beats to do at slower tempos, but once you start to speed things up, you're gonna really need to hone in on your technique, how you're holding your sticks, how your feet are playing on your pedals. So the action step I want you to take today is to try and play all of those blast beats at a very slow tempo and take a video of yourself to kind of see where your hand position is on your sticks and if you're having any hiccups in your playing. If you ever have any questions about this stuff, you can drop a comment down below. And if you want to dig more into the world of blast beats, just let me know and I'll be sure to try and get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks so much for watching this video. My name is Cam Fleury and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.